Hello, it's Dr. Alison J here for another Q&A with Dr. A. Questions and answers with a female spiritual teacher. In this one, I do so much of the time on live calls, on the live free monthly call, and my people have been asking me to get this up on YouTube for quite a long time. This is a pranayama that's known to create joyous mind. Practically, it's also used in moments of panic and anxiety. Used proactively, preventatively, it helps reduce stress. So there's 8 limbs, as you may or may not know. I'm a certified yoga teacher trained in India, which I did my last year when I lived over in Asia, studying traditional Chinese medicine and subtle energy, consciousness, meditation, already teaching meditation, already having been a practitioner for decades. Then went to India and ultimately got my certification in yoga. And so in the yogic wisdom, there are what's considered 8 limbs. And only one of them is about the body postures, the asanas, like tree or downward facing dog. 5 of them are about working with the mind, meditation, and consciousness. 5 of the 8. Only one is the body postures. And then one is called pranayama, which is what we're going to do today. So it's another main limb of yoga, and it's ancient wisdom and yogic tools to help. So alternate nostril breathing has so many benefits physiologically, physically, physiologically, and then mentally, and then emotionally, and then spiritually, because of how central it is in working with the central column and then the 2 main ones. You know the catechist that's on like ambulances, and it symbolizes Western medicine, the sword with the 2 snakes around it? That's actually an ancient symbol. The Greeks used it for medicine, but before that, in the yogic culture, in the Hindu culture in India, it's used to communicate the understanding of the chakra column, with the sword being the Sushumna channel. The main channel goes down your central nervous system, your spine, and it's in the front too. And then there's these 2 other currents or channels. One's the Ida and one's a Pingala, and they intertwine at each chakra. A chakra is an intersection of the mind, the body, and the spirit. And they're, if you consider them as like the main cities, and then the 3 main channels I'm talking about, which are called nadis in the yogic culture, they're meridians in the Chinese. There's a gajillion more, I'm exaggerating, but whereas there's a limited amount of meridians in the traditional Chinese culture, I believe it's 12 or 13, there's like close to 1,000. So you can think of them as like routes, side roads, interstates that come out of each chakra and help to distribute energy, while there are the 3 main ones. The Sushumna, the central column, and the Ida and the Pingala. And one is considered masculine flow, and one is considered feminine flow. One flows energy down from crown to root, and one brings energy up. And the Sushumna is, again, the central column where all the chakras lay. So by doing breath work, many things are accomplished, but in particular, alternate nostril breathing really helps with the rebalancing. So the left nostril is one of these channels, and that's known as the more masculine one. So this is where, pardon me, I'm getting confused about the right. So this is the feminine one on the left nostril, and it's related to the moon, and it's related to more of the calming, cooling. And then the right nostril is the yang, the masculine, related to the sun, active, cognitive faculties, because the right side of the head, as we know in Western medicine, the right side of the head is where the left brain is: logic, rationality, reductionism, science. The left side of the brain is the right brain. The left side of the head is the right brain. It gets a little confusing. And so that's where all the spirituality, the higher consciousness, the intuition comes in. So these two channels meet at each knot. They have intertwined throughout our entire system, all the way down to our tailbone. And then they come up all the way up to the nostrils, and the sushumna sits like at the base of the nose. So that may be a little bit more than some of you may want. So let's get right to it. Take your peace fingers, put them on your third eye or in between your eyebrows. You're going to be also having your hand like this, like ah. And so the peace fingers go here. Plug your right nostril with your thumb. With your pinky ready, go ahead and inhale in the left nostril. Close left nostril, open right, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, open left, exhale left. That's one round. Inhale left. Close left, open right, exhale right. You want to be doing this with me. Inhale right. Close right, open left, exhale left. That's two. Inhale left. Close left, open right, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, open left, exhale left. That's three. Inhale left. Close left, open right, exhale right. Stay with me. You want to get the effects after we do this. Inhale right. You'll see the difference if you're not already. Exhale left. 4. With left still open, inhaling left. Close left, open right, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, open left, exhale left. 5, you're likely noticing a difference. Inhale left. Amount of your inhaled and exhaled may be changing. Close left, open right, exhale right. Your sense of balance, peace, and calm may be already shifting. Inhale right. Close right, exhale left. Open left, exhale left. 6. Inhale left. Close left, open right, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, open left, exhale left. 7. Inhale left. Close left, open right, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, open left, exhale right, exhale left. Almost there. 8. Inhale left. Close left, open right, exhale right. You'll notice you have a longer exhale with one of the nostrils than the others likely. Inhale right. Close right, open left, exhale left. 9, inhale left. Close left, open right, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, open left, exhale left. So it's good now to blow your nose. Let's take a deep, full breath. And for any of you who have done the Nadi treatment with the neti pot, the clearing of the nostrils, actually it's bled now into Western medicine, understanding the clearing of the sinus cavity that's able to happen. There's a whole host of things that get blocked When this chakra behind the sinus cavity is blocked, if you find that you tend to be more serious or focused on problems, that's because this is out of balance. You're using more your left logical, rational brain and not enough of the intuition. We're not actually, even in times like these, meant to be quite completely all the time serious. Another aspect that I know that this, and why I've talked about it so much, prescribed it so many times, is because this has been shown, this breathing technique, as you can perceive the difference in how you feel right now, to stop panic attacks as they're happening, to reduce anxiety initially. But there are so many other, as I said, physical and physiological benefits, including increased oxygenation, increased circulation. I could go on and on and on, lower blood pressure. This is highly beneficial to your system. It is such a simple tool, and it has so many multiple benefits that it's worth your time to do it. Blessings. Namaste.